Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 3725 Albion Avenue. This is a great property. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. You have an oversized 2-car garage. There's an extra, it's almost a tandem, plenty of storage in there. There's lots of built-in shelving in there as well. 2201 square feet. Tile throughout, it's carpet in the bedrooms, the house is move-in ready, so it's ready for available move-in. Let's go take a look around. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 3725 Albion Avenue. Again, this is a beautiful home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2201 square feet. You got an oversized 2-car garage, this great backyard, great patio space and outdoor living here as well. Backyard's landscaped with artificial turf. Give me a call, Ron Bruder at 575-312-7330. or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinalascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.